Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today our topic is Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol. Basically, Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol is just an upgraded version of the Spanning Tree Protocol in a lesser convergence time. The convergence time of STP takes 15 seconds for the listening mode and 15 seconds for the learning mode. So that is why it is taking approximate 30 seconds as the convergence time. And that is really a big time as compared to the RSTP protocol. So RSTP protocol takes only some microsecond to cover up the same. That is means it will skip the listening and learning mode of the STP protocol. That is why this is somehow a faster protocol. Okay. In our day-to-day networks, we use the RSTP protocol and we don't use the STP protocol. There are some positive points about that. It is faster convergence, the port roles are saved, the port states will be reduced, and there are some edge ports and link types are different. Let's discuss further about that. Okay. If I talk about the port roles in RSTP, so the root port is available, designated port is available, alternate port is available, and the backup port is an additional option for the same. That is a secondary link available in the RSTP protocol. Like in STP, we only have these three: root port, designated port, and alternate port. But if I talk about RSTP, we have backup port also available in the same. If I talk about the states in RSTP, so there are three states in RSTP: discarding state, learning state, and forwarding state. Only three states are there, and the total timing about these is 0 second. Approximate, they are taking the 0 second to from discarding to the forwarding state. As we discussed, these are the port roles in STP: designated port, root port, and designated port and block port. So these are the same ports available in the STP also. And there are two types of link available on the RSTP protocol, like direct link, indirect link, and direct link. If I talk about the direct link, this is a reference router, and the links that is connected to this switch is called direct link, and indirect link is that link which is indirectly connected to the switch. Basically, in STP protocol, the convergence time is really high. That is approximate 30 seconds for the direct link, and the total time taken for the indirect link is approximate 50 seconds. That is means 20 second is the waiting time, 15 second is learning, and 15 second is learning is listening. But in case of RSTP protocol, these times will be reduced. That is means if I talk about the STP protocol, RSTP protocol, the convergence time is approximate 0 second. Let us assume one link is down, other link will be active within some microseconds. Okay. If I talk about the direct link, when the indirect link is down, it is only taking some microsecond to cover up that. If I talk about the configuration of RSTP protocol, so this is a single line of command spanning tree mode rapid PVST that is used for the RSTP configuration. Okay. Now let's move forward to our practical session in which we will deeply cover up that how does the convergence time reduced in case of RSTP protocol. First of all, we will observe for the STP protocol, then we will discuss about the RSTP. So let's talk about STP protocol. What is the convergence time for the direct link? It is taking 30 seconds. That is means 15 for the listening mode and 15 for the learning mode. That is why overall time is 30 seconds. If I talk about indirect link, so the total time taken is 50 seconds. in which 15 seconds is for the listening mode, then 15 seconds for the learning mode, and 20 seconds for the waiting time. Let's talk about this switch. This is the reference switch that has to be used in this convergence method. Okay, let me turn on this direct link. First of all, I will shut down this link and we'll see in how much time the direct link will be turned up. Okay, let me go to the switch and shut down the above one and we'll see how much time it will take to active this link. Okay, so enable configuring terminal. Okay, interface f0 slash 2 interface f0 slash 2 shutdown. Okay, let me go to the configuration part, show spanning tree. You can see it is still in listening mode. Then it will take approximately it will take 30 seconds to activate this link. This link is still not being activated, will be activate within 15 within 30 seconds. So you can see this is in forwarding mode. So that is what taking STP is taking a longer time to select the alternate path. Let me discuss about the indirect link. So let me turn up again and will again move to the second one, configuring terminal interface F0 slash 2, no shutdown. It will turn on. Okay. Now let's move to this switch and we'll shut down this above link, enable configuring terminal interface F0 slash 2 and shut down. Okay, I have turned up the above link so it will automatically select this path. Let's see how much time the switch will take to select the alternate path. Show spanning tree. There is no change because the waiting time is 20 seconds. Okay. After 20 seconds, it is in listening mode. That it will take next 15 seconds for the learning mode. Enable show spanning. Enable show spanning tree. It is in learning mode now, and after some time, it will be automatically in forwarding mode. So you can see that the total time taken is 50 seconds. So this is quite a longer time to be taken for the convergence. Now let's get back to over the topic that is RSTP. If I talk about RSTP, so if an indirect link is down, for the indirect link total convergence time will be convergence time for RSTP for the indirect link is taking 0 second for the listening mode and 0 second for the learning mode. That is means 0 second overall. If I talk about convergence time in direct link, then in case of direct link, listening, learning, and waiting also 0. 0 is also the waiting time. So overall time is 0 second. Let's see how do we configure the RSTP protocol. So to configure the RSTP protocol, just go to switch, configuring terminal. In global configuration mode, put a command spanning tree mode rapid PVST. This is the command used for the RSTP. Okay, let me go to another switch, enable configuring terminal spanning tree mode RST rapid PVST. Okay, let me do same for the another one. Before that, let me turn on the interface of 0 slash 2. Now shut down. Okay, then let's configure the RSTP protocol spanning tree mode RSTP rapid PVST. Okay, within some microsecond, all the device will be boot up. Now, the convergence time will become 0. Let me try to shut down this interface. This one, the link will be down. This link will be automatically selected within some microseconds. Okay, let's go to switch. Just shut down the above interface. Interface F0/2 shut down. Okay, you can see that this link is automatically activate within the few microseconds. Okay, show spanning tree. You can see that this is in forwarding mode. Both the links are in forwarding mode within some microseconds. This is really a faster convergence time. Let me check how much time it will take for the indirect link. Okay. The interface of 0/2, no shutdown. No shutdown. Okay. Let's talk to this switch. Interface F0/2 shutdown. I have turned up this link and you can see this link is automatically selected within some microsecond. But you can see that this port took for 30 seconds for boot up. So how to reduce the time in this? So you can use the port fast configuration in that case. Okay. How to configure the port fast? Select the interface F0/3 spanning tree port fast. So this will enable the faster uptime for this interface that is connected to PC. In this case, I will do the same. Interface F0/3 spanning tree port fast. Okay, but this port fast can only be used in between the switch and the PC or non-trunking link. I hope you enjoyed the session and please subscribe and share to your friends. Have a nice day.